Hello friends, welcome back to StudyCell. In this video, we will build a complete ESP32 Smart Control System using Google Sheets and Google Apps Script. You will learn how to control relays from a mobile dashboard, store data in Google Sheets, and connect everything using free Google Cloud services. And later in this video, we will also compare Google Sheets with Firebase, including the pros and cons of using both platforms for this type of IoT based home automation projects. Here the ESP32 communicates with Google Apps Script through HTTPS request, and Apps Script read or update data inside the Google Sheet. So the Google Sheet works like a simple cloud database. It stores relay states and logs. Now to open the dashboard, we just have to enter the URL in the browser, then enter the pin. So this is our dashboard. From here we can control all the relays connected with the ESP32. Now let me turn off the first relay. Now if there is no Wi-Fi, still you can control the relays with the manual switches or push button. And once the Wi-Fi available, the ESP32 will automatically reconnect with the Wi-Fi. This blue LED indicates now it connected with the Wi-Fi. So on the dashboard, I can just tap on the refresh button to see all the relay states. So the project is very simple. We just have to update two files in the Google Apps Script, then program the ESP32. During the video, I have shared all the details. So after watching the complete video, any beginner can make this project within 5 minutes. So without any further delay, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Altium, a world-class PCB design software trusted by many of the biggest electronic companies. The user interface is so simple, you can easily design any complex PCB in Altium. It brings together PCB design, MCAD, data management, and teamwork. It also provides centralized cloud storage, automatic backup, and many more powerful features. And if you are a student, you can also enroll Altium Student Lab for free to get access Altium software and online PCB design courses. After completing the course, you will also receive a certificate of completion from Altium. There are many other key benefits, so I highly recommend checking out the Altium Student Lab. You will find a link in the description. Just enroll using your university email ID. It's a great opportunity for students and a great initiative from Altium to help you grow your skill in electronics design. To make this project, you need an ESP32 4-channel relay module. For manual control, you can either use latch switch or push button. Now we have to connect all these components as per this circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. You can either use latch switch or push button across the GPIO pins and ground. Now to make the circuit compact, I have designed this PCB. You can also download the Java file from the description. Now let me connect the ESP32 with the laptop. Now before programming the ESP32, we have to configure the Google Sheet and App Script. So we have to download all these three files from our website iotcircuithub.com. Just visit the article, you can find the link in the description. Then you have to scroll down and download all the files from these buttons. Now we need these two files while configuring the Google Sheet. So let me open the Google Sheet. So open a browser, search Google Sheet, then click on the first link. First, I will rename this sheet as ESP32 Relay Project. After that, I will go to Extension, then select App Script. So here we have to update the code.js. So we have already downloaded the code.js from the IoT Circuit Hub. So I will go to this file, open this code.js file in Notepad++. Then I will copy all this and paste it here. Now in this code.js file, we have to update some details. So first we have to paste the Google Sheet ID. So I will just go to Google Sheet. We have to copy this portion of the link. I will just copy it and paste it here. Then we have to enter the ESP32 key. So we have to mention the same key while programming the ESP32. So let me enter ESP32 secure 124578. You can enter any key, it's for security. Then I have to mention the dashboard pin. So while opening the web dashboard, you have to enter this pin. So let me enter 9000. Again, you can enter any value. You just have to enter this pin while logging the dashboard. After that, we will create index.js. So we'll just save it by Control S. So after saving this, we will create another file. So I will click on this plus icon, select HTML, then I will give the name index, INDEX. So this is our index.html. So again I will go to the index.html file we have downloaded from the IoT Circuit Hub. So I will open it with Notepad++. You can also use Notepad to open this file. I will copy the complete file and here I will paste it. So this is our dashboard. You don't have to modify any details here. And let me give the project name, say ESP32 Relay Control. You can give any other name. Now we will deploy it. So I'll click on this deploy button, then select new deployment. Then from the select type, I will click on this gear icon, select web app. I will enter a description. It's required for version maintenance. You can give any name. Now in the web app, I have to select the permission. So execute as, I will select me, but who has access, I have to modify it to anyone, because ESP32 will also access this Google Sheet. So I have to select anyone here. Otherwise ESP32 will not able to access the Google Sheet. Now I will click on deploy. Now we have to authorize access. Again, as we have selected anyone, so it will give me some warning. So I will click on advanced, then select go to ESP32 relay control v1. Then I will click on continue. Now here you can see we got the URL. We need this URL in the code. So let me open the code with Arduino IDE. So this is the Arduino sketch. First here I will enter the Wi-Fi name, then Wi-Fi password. Then I have to enter the URL from the app script. So I will go to the app script, copy the URL, then paste it here. Then I have to enter the ESP32 key we have mentioned in the code.js. So if I go to the code.js, here you can see this is the ESP32 key. You can enter any value, but make sure this value in the code.js and Arduino sketch must be same. Otherwise ESP32 not able to access the Google Sheet. So after modifying these details, we can directly upload the code, and here you can see the GPIO details, LED indicator details. So if you go through the code, you can easily understand. And if you want to control with latch switch, make this flag 1. For the push button, you have to make this flag 0. And if you want to use active low relay module, then make it 1. For active high relay module, you have to make this flag 0. So you just have to update these details. Then select the proper COM port and the board, do it ESP32 dev kit. Now I will hit the upload button. So the project is very simple. You just have to update the code.js and create one index.html. Then program the ESP32 with Arduino IDE and your project will be ready. After uploading the code, you will find the blue LED turns on. So ESP32 now connected with the Wi-Fi. Let me go to the Google Sheet. So here you will find there is 2 tabs automatically created, state and log. So if I modify this 0 to 1, the relays will turn on and off. And let me go to the app script. So if you want to change any details here like ESP32 security or dashboard pin, if you want to do any change, then you have to redeploy the same thing. So go to deploy again, then go to manage deployment, then go to edit, select new version. Also increase the version here. It will create new version. Then keep this setting as it is, then deploy. Now this is also the URL for the dashboard. I will copy this, then I will paste it here, enter. So this is our dashboard. Let me open the dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Currently all the relays are off. We can also see the log here. Let me turn on the first 2 relay. So in Google Sheet, it may take some time to turn on the relay. You can see both the relay turn on. Now before we move to the final testing, let me close the Google Sheet, then open the browser again. Then if you want to reopen the project, just search Google Sheet, go to file, open, select the project name. So if I go to the state, we can monitor the state here, and this is for the log. Now to get the URL for the dashboard, I will go to extension, select app script. So this is our code. You can also modify it, deploy another version. Now to get the URL, I will click on the deploy, manage deployments, then select the project, and this is the URL for the dashboard. So here you can see I have connected this manual switch. Also the blue LED indicates now it connected with the Wi-Fi. So let me enter the dashboard link. So first we have to enter the pin, then unlock dashboard. So this is our dashboard. First let me try to control the first relay. So once I press button, may take some time to turn on the first relay. Now the relay is on. To turn off the relay, let me press the turn off button. Again it may take some time. Now let me turn off the Wi-Fi. So let me turn off the hotspot. You will find the blue LED turned off. Now if I try to control the relay manually, instantly the relays will turn on and off as soon as I press the manual switch. Now let me turn on the hotspot again. You will find it will automatically reconnect with the Wi-Fi. Then again you can able to control from the dashboard. Again let me turn on the first relay. The relay turns on. Now at the end, if you want a quick comparison between Google Sheet and Firebase, then in my experience, if you want a quick beginner friendly home automation project, you can go with the Google Sheet. But if you want to make a practical, stable, more secure IoT project, you must go with the Firebase. With Google Sheet, you have to give anyone permission so that ESP32 can access the Google Sheet. This makes this project less secure. But in case of the Firebase, only the authenticate user can access the dashboard. Also, while controlling the relay with Google Sheet, there may be some 5 to 10 second delay. But in case of the Firebase, you can control the relay in real time. So if you want to make stable, practical home automation project, I will recommend you to use Firebase. And I have already made several videos with Firebase. You can find the link in the description. Now if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.